Is it tropical or isn't it? Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So the other day on Instagram, I posted a picture of this plant, and a few of the followers and even a neighbor came by the other day and said the same thing. They said, "What is this plant? I love it. It looks tropical." Well, the plant you're looking at is Spigelia Marilandica, and it is actually a native plant to the United States, and it's often found in southeastern woodlands, and it is a zone 5 through 9 plant. So it's kind of a plant that you don't see very often, surprisingly, and I thought since so many people were talking about it this week that I'd bring it to your attention. Now, like I said, Spigelia is USDA hardy from zones 5 through 9, and it grows about 1 to 2 feet tall, and the spread is about the same. It grows in a clumping form, and you can actually divide this. The best time to do that would be in spring, and I think we are going to do that this year. What I would like to do is divide this and have it kind of growing up this little border here, maybe divide it into 3. Spigelia is actually a great plant for many locations in your garden. It loves to be in full sun, and you can get a lot of blooms that way, but it will also survive and do well in shade. It doesn't need a ton of water, but it does like to be moist. Spigelia also goes by another name, which is Indian pink. Now, this variety you're looking at right now is called Little Redhead. There is other varieties out there, but this variety, as you can see, is covered with this flamboyant red, and at the tips it has little yellow edges, and that appearance makes it look almost tropical. This is actually a wonderful flower for hummingbirds as well. One of the other things that's nice about it is self-cleaning. You really don't need to deadhead it. I guess you could, but as you can see down here, petals are just falling off, and it does kind of clean itself. It goes through its own bloom cycle. The foliage actually stays nice and green after it's done, so it does maintain nice color after it's done flowering, so you can keep it in your garden. You don't have to cut it all the way back. The bloom time on Spigelia is usually, in our zone, it's June, so it's been blooming here for a few weeks now, and it looks like it'll continue to do that. Fantastic. So the way you want to divide this, if you are going to divide it, is you want to make sure you lift the plant and then you divide it by its rhizomes. So don't just drive a shovel through it. You could be jeopardizing its health. All right, there you go. I don't know why this plant has not caught on. I don't see it ever in our neighborhoods, but it's a fantastic plant. Look for it in your local nurseries. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, do it now. And make sure you like the video. Come and find us on Instagram. Say hello. Leave a comment. And until next time, remember, the earth is a canvas. Paint it.